Bells are ringing through the stone, light is shining on the throne. A vow is born before the flame, but outside weeps a broken name.
The chapel glows in golden light. A bride walks slowly down the aisle. A wealthy hand awaits her there, while silent stands a fallen smile. I watch the moment from the wall, my armor heavy, heart held tight. 1,000 battles could not break me, but love has won the final fight.
I ran along the temple road, too late to see the sacred vow. But in the garden rain began, and I saw where you were now. A knight was kneeling in the mud, his silence louder than a cry. The strongest warrior I had known was fighting tears he could not hide. Rain falls on the armor, hiding every tear. The world celebrates inside, but sorrow lingers here. Rain falls on the armor, hearts bend to the ground. Even the strongest warriors break without a sound.
I stood through fire and endless war. No blade could make me fall.
But wounds of hearts unseen by men are deepest wounds of all.
Why did you come to find me here?
Because you should not stand alone.
Maybe this was my mistake. Maybe I led him to this pain. I thought nothing could break his will, yet love has struck him like a blade.
Forgive me. Don't cry. Please stay strong.
The sky will cry